In this video, the X-Maxx has paddle tyres. Mitchell takes on the X-Maxx. A-test Steve takes out his son. And the dog gets angry. We've got the X-Maxx in the house. We got Mitchell in the house. Is that yes, Steve?
I'm going to throw this to try and throw.
By the way, guys, in here we have some inner wheel arches, so we can see that. But if you want to see more of that, check out Pat's channel. We've got a little build guide there. Not much of a build guide, more of a take really, but
pretty much. Don't do that.
That's pretty snowy. Would it hurt?
I don't know. Maybe. Paddle tyres versus shin versus backflip. Oh dear. Oh. Did it hurt?
I got scared.
You ready?
Yeah. All the snow.
Do you have a go? Backflip! Got in. Hey, nailed it.
The battery just died.
No, definitely wouldn't have cleared it. Have you not got any gloves? You got socks. Steve wanna hit the valley?
Yeah, don't mind, yeah.
There you go, guys, there's the Russian indestructible body for you lot that was thinking where it is. Well, it's here. Oh! No, I think my paddle tires will destroy that body.
Yeah, I think they will. What's left of it?
Ready for a race?
Oh,
3, 2, 1, go! Hey, I'm gone. AS Steve with his 12S motor. I don't know what S is running. Oh! Yeah, I got it. Next. AS Steve just killed his son. You know wheel arches, guys. It's only a prototype. Actually, it's a bodge. What S LiPo we got in this today?
Oh, we got 8.
Got 8S, but are you ever going to run it on 12S? Rich, you're on a snowball fight. Put your face behind that. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh my god!
I think he owed you that.
Hey,
I have to put you in the bath when you killed someone.
Vince, he owed you that. Hello.
We're not completely airing it out because it's cold and I don't want to break it yet. Oh! What a save! Uh-oh. Free exercise for doggy. Dog's not sure, is he? Two-wheel action don't work, it just drifts. Yeah. Drifts well though. What's happening? What's happening? No. Oh!
This truck gets eaten by a dog. He's happy. He's told you off now, dude.
He told you off, now he's happy. Free exercise for doggy.
Let's go over there. Right, pull. Let's go. Let's go, mate.
Willie.
Let's go again. Come back this way, Kim.
Oh, dog wins. Dog wins. Doggy wins. Game over. Oh, look at that. Slow crawl. Straight up there. Joe paddle tyres digging in. But it's dirty though. Straight up there. X-Maxx loving it. Uh-oh. Flash out. Ah, stuck. What about a bit of teamwork?
Look at the tracks.
Oh yeah, look at the Traxxas things leaving. Now you see it. Now you don't. Oh, oh mud. Oh.
Oh shit. Look at Jeremy Clark's.
Look at these ruts sticking out. Are you ready? That's it, I'm going. Uh-oh. Here we got a little bit of deep, fresh snow. X-Maxx does get stuck in it, but challenge is to get through it, round there, and back out here. It made it! Oh no, it didn't. Yes, it did. Yes, there we go. X-Maxx loving it. Hey. Hey! Oh. I don't know what this is flooding. Oh! Oh! Oh, body's off.